All right, guys. Let's just. I just want to quickly go to this trade. Yeah. So I've seen something kind of weird. Don't know what happened here. It's a bit weird. So I'm looking at GBP USD, right? And it seems that the US economy is obviously doing worse because if it's going down, it's doing worse, right? But I'm just slightly confused. Okay, I think I see the problem. So this was clearly a resistance point. Clearly. Look. This is clearly a resistance point. Touch there, touch there, touch there, touch there, touch there. So let me get rid of this. Yeah, it just started going down. That's what I gotta say. That's it. Started going down. Touch once, touch twice, touch three times, and then it just kind of broke through this with the bearish engulfing. I don't know how I didn't see that. I think I would have got in. I don't want to say I would have got in. Yeah, I never want to say stuff like that. Definitely never want to say stuff like that. But it's quite interesting that that's happened. So now it's created a lower low here. So number one, number two. So we have a support. We have a point here. So it's at 1.41. I'll make this green. It's interesting. So the thing is, the market has levels upon levels upon levels, and you can't ignore certain levels because it reacts to them. It just reacts to them. Look, at this point, it reacts to them. Look, went down, touched, came up, touched again, and now it's reaching that point again. So maybe it's just trying to reach that point. But look, it's creating some weird channel here. So boom, broke past, touch, broke out, came back down, touched. So we're gonna put it at that wick here. And I was going back down. It's just so weird. I don't get what's going on. Like, it's really trying to go down. So if you made a sell here, well done. Okay. It's not playing around. Like, these are some big moves. And the thing is, I tried to go to investing.com to see if there was any news on anything, and I don't see anything. But the thing is, the US shouldn't be doing worse though, because look, or maybe it's the British economy that's doing well. It's weird. Okay, well, it went down. It went down. It went down. And it's retouching. It's gonna retouch this bit right here. But this is the weird thing. Gold made the exact same drop, and the thing is, we know that gold and the US dollar are negatively correlated. So if gold goes down, US should go up. If US goes, no, if US goes up, gold should be going down. If US goes down, gold should be going up. So that's the confusing thing. You can see this trend line break, boom, breaks out, touches. Anyway, yeah, we're just gonna wait to see what happens when it touches this level. It's hard to not keep your eyes on the trade all the time. Like, it's very hard. Like, you're thinking, oh my god, what should I do here? What should I do there? Like, it's a bit annoying, but you know. But anyway, I didn't come on for just that. I came on because I think I've decided. I don't know, actually. The thing is, I wanted to make a sell on GBP odd. I'm a bit confused. The thing is, it's made lower highs. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. It's even here. It's making. The thing is, you wouldn't wanna bet against this right now. You'd only want to bet against it when it reaches somewhere here, right? It's looking like a strong sell sign, to be honest. It's interesting to see what happens with gold. We're gonna have to see what happens when it reaches this area here. So maybe I'll come back in an hour and then reanalyze the trade. GBP JPY, not much to say on GBP JPY. Okay, gold. Yeah, it's broken past that point. It's really going down. Gold is really, really going down. It's even broke another level here. So levels within the levels. Broken past that level. It's gonna touch this level. It's gonna touch this level. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, we'll come back to this later. See what happens. We'll see what happens. So I'm just gonna show the charts on the screen. So at least I know where I left it. So okay, that's GBP USD weekly, daily, 4 hour, one hour, 15 minute, 5 minute. Thing is, I don't want to leave just yet because it's gonna touch this point, and I want to wait to see what it does at that point. if it's gonna bounce up or if it's gonna keep pushing below. GBP JPY, monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute. GBP odd, symmetrical triangle, rise and wedge, meaning bearish looking, and then obviously gold isn't doing too well, but it's bullish here. That's the thing. So maybe it's just trying to reach that point right there. Minute. Yeah, I'm gonna start writing down my trading plan. I need to start writing down what the plan is, what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'd be looking for a sell. Just because of the chart, just because of what the chart pattern is telling me. The only reason I wouldn't buy is because I'd have to break past this point. It'd have to prove to me it's breaking past this point for me to buy it. If it breaks past that point, that high it set itself, then I would maybe buy. Be looking for a buy. But the way this is looking, it looks like it's gonna reverse. It's gonna reverse 100%. And then with gold, oh look, see, it's bounced off, so it's created. Looks like gold is bounced off. Minute, 5 minute. I don't know. Anyway, we'll come back to it later with fresh eyes. That's me done. See y'all in a bit.